Karmic accounts. So, what are karmic accounts? The accounts which are connected to our past and because of which we are facing certain circumstances in our present. Karmic accounts are just those experiences which we are having in this life due to the cause, and therefore those are very, very deep seated vibrations, deep seated memories in our unconscious. But just for the spur of moment, thought is coming to us and we are aware of that thought. We immediately erase it and we say that I delve deep into my inner being and imagine, visualize there is a beautiful, strong flame of light which is inside you, around which your body is wrapped. And that is the God mind, the center of God mind. And that is the most powerful. Any karmic account can be cleared by just focusing on your God mind, and thoughts are indications that these are the kind of karmic accounts which we are holding in our deep consciousness. And because of those, we are facing those experiences in life. The moment a thought comes to us, immediately, without wasting any time, without delaying, we have to cleanse it. And we need to say, I am clearing this thought and the cause of this thought. I am just surrendering to my God mind, which is the power exists inside me, and I am new. It is a very small procedure, but the game is when you are aware. The game is just of our awareness. So what are those thoughts? Negative thoughts connected to the negative karma, showing up as impulse, thought energy, negative thought energy, which is arising from very deep seated karmic debts. And if these are not handled in a spiritual manner, they can last for a lifetime. And it can be very distressing. You might not even understand, but it can have a very bad effect on the relationships, occupation, finances, love, family, sexuality, addictions, income, health. Meditation is not a fad. Meditation is the way. Those people who are meditating daily, they are automatically neutralizing and breaking the cycle of negative karmic accounts, the thought energies, the darkened energies. Why? Why it should be addressed immediately? If we are not addressing it consciously and immediately, it might return back to the unconscious and then it will again occur in the future. Even worse, if it lingers on in the conscious, then it might lead a person to towards a negative action. So it is very important to nullify the negative thoughts which are coming to us. Just understand and accept it that it is coming to me. Yes, I am feeling in a certain way. I am feeling in certain way for a particular situation, for a particular person, for a particular relation, or my health condition, the kind of hindrances I am facing. It could be one of the reasons. So the moment negative thoughts, fearful thoughts occur, those need to be nullified because those could be coming from deep-seated karmic debts. The behavioral therapists, they're just dealing it on the surface. But those things which are in the deeper mind have to be dealt. And therefore, it is important that yes, the surface behavioral aspects have to be handled. Apart from that, the innermost things have to be dealt with. The innermost, deep seated. I am new. I am new. This is the mantra. I am new. And the moment we say it, the cleansing starts happening. Again, if a related thought comes to us, again we can use this procedure. Focus on the inner mind, God mind, release that thought. And in this way, the karmic accounts start getting neutralized. The more we start meditating, the more we are in that light, the more darkness gets cleared out. We do not need to know what karmic account, what is the cause. We just can release it, and slowly and gradually we see the karmic accounts getting cleared and the causes of our circumstances getting neutralized.
You may wish to check the Ultimate Happiness Dose, which is one-on-one elite program. It is a thorough mind, body, soul cleansing, healing, and life coaching. We hold your hand. It is one-time investment, but it will be a blessing for the entire lifetime. You may check the details on our website mridulalawrence.com.